I am associated with FINER, Federation of Industry and Commerce of North Eastern Region. I was the president for consecutively for 3 terms in FINER since the year 1997 to 2001, then 2003 to 2005. I am also original promoter director of International Hospital, and at present I am on the board of Apollo Hospitals, who have taken over the majority shareholder in International Hospital. And as well as I am the president of Marwari Hospitals also. In addition to that, I am trustee in Guwahati Gosala. SM Developers, which is a real estate developing company, is the SBU of very popular corporate house SM Group. SM Group has got multifarious activities like manufacturing of lowest metallurgical coke, then also road signs, where we are making cold mix products actually for road construction and maintenance. Then we have our Dyna Roof, where we are making and distributing your color coated profile sheets. Also we are associated with the very large corporate house Tata Steel Company. For them, our this SM Corporation Limited, another SBU of the group, is engaged in distribution of all the steel items throughout the northeastern region. And another thing we have, there are certain thoughts again going on, and one more thing we have gone beyond northeastern region, that is in cold mix technology. At Durgapur, we have set up a new plant. This is the extension of the plant what we are having now at 9 Mile, and the name of Meghalaya Bitchem Private Limited. Now we have gone under BATL, Bitchem Expert Technology Limited, at Barjora, Durgapur. Recently it has been commissioned actually. Now upcoming project, first is your Surya Aspire, which is again going to be located at Jhalugwadi, very important strategic location for the people if they take that particular location into account. So the Surya Aspire, I would like to share some information about Surya Aspire actually. Surya Aspire is in fact a very premium quality product we are going to deliver at the affordable cost. Though people say this Prime Minister Awas Yojana, they are making the house, giving the house to the people who require their flats for their domestic purposes. So they say at the affordable cost. Fine, but we are totally positioning ourselves at a very different level. Here we are giving premium quality at the affordable cost. So in the front side of the Surya Aspire, there will be a small commercial block that is outside the campus of Surya Aspire, but that will be really, some sort of a quite help to the people who will be staying in Surya Aspire. And Surya Aspire, we are going to have a very, you can say it is totally a state-of-the-art facilities we are going to provide in Surya Aspire, going to meet the aspirations of the people, you can say that way. Every time there is a big change in the lifestyle of the people, everybody wants a good living. So I think we will be able to achieve that objective in Surya Aspire. Besides Surya Aspire, now we have a coming project in Nagaon. There we are going to have a big commercial mall actually, and again at the back side there will be a big housing campus. That is one. Secondly, we are also going to Gangtok actually. Gangtok, we are going to develop 2 or 3 properties, though 2 properties are still finalized. One property may be finalized at a later stage. So one will be a very PPP model with Sikkim Housing Board. That will be a small project. But another project we are going to, that's a very premium quality project in Gangtok actually. And besides here this our real estate, we have also developed this hotel Novotel in Guwahati, which is a joint venture project. And secondly, in Shillong also we are coming up with Taj Vivanta. I think till 2 years or maybe for 3 years back, there was a very good growth of real estate industry. So far your Guwahati is concerned, maybe few places also of Assam. But afterwards, as you know, the real estate industry as a whole was quite going through a very tough phase. But still one thing we noticed, that position of our Assam was little different than that of other states of the country, where it was really in a very bad shape. Now we find that the people who have been able to be organize themselves, or they have been able to create their brand. So for them, I think always there is a good opportunity so far our state is concerned.